Okay, Rajiv and Vikram, my treasure hunt has brought me back to hot, and this is what I have found. I have with me the LG PowerCool Evercool, and the best part about this is the fact that in this horrible summer heat that never seems to pass, this fridge will work for over 8 hours even during a power cut. And the best part about that is the fact that you will even get ice. Now when we're talking about ice, this fridge is known to give you the fastest ice ever. So it will make ice in 108 minutes, beating every other refrigerator in the market. So to demonstrate that, they have these really special trays which are aluminium coated. And this actually makes ice faster, as well as it keeps it really cool too. So now that I've opened the fridge up, I need to show you one more thing. It has something called toughened glass, which basically makes up the shelf. And the cool thing about the toughened glass is that it can take weight up to 175 kilos. I would demonstrate that by sitting in it, but unfortunately the fridge actually isn't big enough for me. It also works without a stabilizer, which in turn makes sure that your electricity bills during the summer or winter, or even any other season for that matter, stays really low. So the LG PowerCool Evercool is available for 20,390 in the market, but here over at Hot you can buy it for 19,400, which is quite the steal. So now that Soumya has already shown you the smart fridges in Korea, it's time to test out whether this fridge is smart too. So I'm going to talk to it. All right, fridge, what's up? How are you doing? Are you hanging in there? How's the summer treating you? So clearly it's not chilling enough. From keeping your food cool to keeping yourself cool, I have with me the Hitachi air conditioner, and they claim that this is made for India, and I'll tell you why. They have something called the tropical inverter technology, and what this does is it keeps your room at an optimum temperature of 23 degrees Celsius. So apart from keeping your room cool, it also keeps your electricity bills very cool, as this saves a lot of energy. I like another feature about this AC, which I think truly makes it made for India, is the fact that it has this automatic cleaning function. So all you have to do is press a button on the remote, select the option, and it'll clean it automatically from the top. It has like these little rollers. It rolls over, cleans the dust, and it collects it in like a little dust bucket right here. So all you have to do is yank it out, and your AC is clean. Priced at 65,000, it's a little more expensive than the other air conditioners in the market, but when you look at the technology in this and the made for India factor of it, I think it's a really good buy, and it's definitely worth checking out.